Okay, it's time for that market update, and we're talking about May this month. Basically, we're going to be talking about residential sales. We're not going to be talking about condos. During June, we are going to talk about condos again and some rentals, but because there's so much happening right now, we just want to focus in and lock in on the residential stats and what's been going on. And before we even jump into it, you have been seeing the headlines, hearing what's going on, and prices have been coming down in the residential market. One of the biggest things, the government said, okay, you know what? We need to step in. This is getting too out of hand. I don't know if you remember, but January and February were crazy. The market just kept going up, up, up. Like it was going up way too fast. And what they did was they started increasing the interest rate. So when they're increasing their interest rate, now your borrowing power, you're not able to borrow as much money, and not as much money is going to go towards your principal as going to go towards interest. And now buyers are starting to double think, hey, should I buy this? Should I wait? And that's what's really slowing things down, because we still are in a seller's market, but because things were just so crazy before and people were just buying homes so quickly, people think now we're in a buyer's market. It's not a buyer's market, but it is a lot easier for buyers. So the days on market, it's coming down, right? It was at 14 days in the last month that we talked. It's now up to 18 days. So homes are sitting on the market for a little bit longer. This doesn't mean, hey, every place is on sale and you can get a great deal on them. It just means it's going to be easier for buyers, and the price is coming down now. When we talk about price, May 2022 compared to May 2021, the price is still up almost 10%. So we saw from May until December, the price went up about 18%. And then January, February, the price went up almost another 5 or 6%. But what's happened now is it's coming down, and it's coming down fast. But if you still look at it over a year, it's still up 10%, which is a huge amount. We used to be around 5 to 7% every single year. And then just 2021 was crazy. The beginning of 2022 was crazy. And now things are really starting to slow down. The other thing is the amount of transactions that have happened. Transactions are down 40%, which is a pretty big number. So there's less transactions that are happening. Homes are sitting on the market longer. Compared to April, the price went down about $40,000, which is a 3% difference. When you're talking about, it was at 1.2, it's at 1.21 right now, and it was at 1.25 last month. So the price really has changed, and just a lot of things are changing in favor of buyers. So yeah, if you're a buyer, you are going to have to deal with a higher interest rate. If you're someone who bought a little bit earlier and now you're seeing, hey, prices are going down and you're getting worried, listen, the Toronto market, it always goes up. Yeah, there's times where it goes up really fast and there's times where it goes down really slow, and we're seeing that right now. We are in the middle of that shift, but just have faith. As long as you're not looking to sell tomorrow or a year from now, if you're ready to stay in your home for 3 to 5 years, you will be okay. Again, I always say it, I don't have a crystal ball, but this is what history always repeats itself, and this is what we've seen so far. So right now is a great time to buy. I think now, at least until the end of summer, will be a great time to buy. I wouldn't wait too long. We saw the same thing happen with condos, especially in the downtown area during the pandemic, because people said, why do I want to be downtown? Like, it's so dead. There's nothing happening here. Let's sell. Let's get out of here. And you were able to buy a condo downtown at a really good price. Now where we're at, condos have gone up over 10%. And if you've been downtown lately, you've seen traffic is crazy. The city is coming back to life, and now that location has become more important. So population is always going to be growing in Toronto. The economy is growing in terms of jobs. So right now is a really good time to buy. The Toronto real estate market is strong, and don't get too caught up in the headlines, because there is a lot of good things happening still. So if you are looking to buy, feel free to reach out. Just email me back, click the link below, whatever is easiest for you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and looking forward to helping you. I'll see you next week.